Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. As you can see on the screen, videos like these are currently trending heavily on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. They're getting a lot of attention and going viral right now. And the best part is, you can actually create these types of videos completely for free using AI. These Stickman action and animated videos can be created with just a few simple steps, and you can even do it with free AI tools. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos from A to Z, step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, to create this type of video, you're going to need an all-in-one master prompt. I've done a lot of research and created this master prompt specifically for you, so you can create these videos much more easily. I'll provide the master prompt as a link in the video description and in the comments. You can simply click the link and get the master prompt from there. Once you have it, copy the entire master prompt and then head over to Google Gemini. Once you're inside Google Gemini, paste the master prompt here and send it. Within just a few seconds, Gemini will generate 20 different topics for you. You can then choose any of these 20 topics and create a video based on it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select the very first topic from the list. I'll simply copy the first topic and paste it back into Gemini. Then, once I click the send button, Gemini will generate the complete scene-by-scene prompts for me within a few seconds. As you can see, Gemini has given me both an image prompt and a video prompt for the first scene, and if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that it has also generated the video prompt for the second scene, the third scene, and so on. In this way, Gemini will generate video prompts for all 4 scenes. So guys, we've got all our prompts ready. Now, the first thing we're going to do is generate the images. To generate the images, we're going to open Google Flow. If you haven't created an account on Google Flow yet, simply log in using an email account. As we know, Google Flow AI gives us free credits every day, which we can use to create our videos. Now, I'm going back to Google Gemini. Here, I'm going to copy the image generation prompt for the first scene. Once the image prompt is copied, I'll come back to Flow AI. Here, I'll paste the prompt into the prompt box. Next, I'll click on the Nano Banana Pro option. Since we're generating an image, I'll select the image option. Then, I'll set the video size to 9:16, which is the perfect vertical format for shorts, TikTok, and Reels. After that, I'll select Nano Banana Pro, keep it at X1, and click Generate. As soon as we click Generate, the image will start generating, and within just a few seconds, we'll have our image ready. As you can see, guys, our image is ready. Now, we're going to use this image to create our video. To do that, simply click on the 3-dot menu above the image, and then click on Animate. Once we click on Animate, our image will automatically appear in the prompt box. Now, we need to add our video prompt. But before we add the video prompt, let's quickly adjust a few settings. First, we'll click on the video option. Since we're creating a video from an image, we'll select the frames option. Then, we'll choose the size and set the duration to 8 seconds. After that, we'll select Omni Flash. Now, let's go back to Gemini. Here, I'll copy the complete video generation prompt for the first scene. Once it's copied, I'll come back to Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. And now, all we have to do is click the Generate button. The video will start generating, and within a few seconds, we'll be able to see the result right here. And there we go, guys, our video is ready. Now, let's play it and see how it looks. So guys, as you can see, it has created a really amazing video for us. Now, we're going to generate the second video using the last frame from this video. For that, we'll click on this option called Save Frame. Once we click on Save Frame, we'll save the very last frame of the video. Then, we'll go back once. Now, as you can see, that frame has appeared right here. Next, we'll click on the 3-dot menu above the frame, and then click on Animate. Once the image appears in the prompt box, we'll go back to Google Gemini. Here, we'll select and copy the entire video generation prompt for scene 2. Once it's copied, we'll come back to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and then click on Generate. The video generation will start, and within just a few seconds, we'll be able to see our video right here. And there we go, guys, our video is ready. Now, let's play it and see how it looks. Simply click on the video to play it. Guys, just look at this. It looks like a Hollywood-style action movie. The result is absolutely amazing. Now, we'll save this frame again. Then, we'll go back once more. Next, we'll click on the three-dot menu on this frame and select Animate. After that, we'll go back to Google Gemini. Here, we'll find scene 3 and copy the complete video generation prompt for that scene. Once it's copied, we'll come back to Flow AI. We'll paste the prompt into the prompt box, and as soon as we generate it, our next video will start generating. And within just a few seconds, we'll be able to see the video right here. So guys, as you can see, it has created another amazing video that looks just like a Hollywood movie. Now, we'll save this frame again and go back. Next, we'll click on the three-dot menu on this frame, and then select Animate. Then, we'll go back to Google Gemini. Here, we'll copy the video generation prompt for scene 4. After that, we'll come back to Flow. We'll paste the prompt into the prompt box, and then click Generate. The video generation will start, and within just a few seconds, we'll have our final, 4th video ready. And there we go, guys, our video is complete. Now, let's play it and see how it looks. As you can see, guys, it has created another really beautiful video for us. So, we've now successfully created all 4 videos. Now, let's download them. To download the videos, simply click on the download button. You can download each video one by one and save them to your device. So guys, our video is now completely ready. We've successfully created all 4 scenes. Now, all you have to do is download the 4 videos and open them in any video editing software you prefer. Put all the clips together, add some cinematic sound effects and background music, and then export the final video. Once your video is exported, you can upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And who knows, your video could even go viral. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more interesting AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another exciting video.